Welcome to this super simple and quick guide on how to create a new folder on your Windows 10 desktop. We've got not one, not two, but three fantastic ways to do it. And they're so easy, you'll be a folder creating wizard in no time. The first method is very simple. You just need to open your File Explorer, locate where you want to create your new folder, and then after that, you will just have to click New Folder option here. That's it, your brand new folder is ready for action. The second method is you just have to right click anywhere on your desktop, hover over New, and then a submenu will appear. You just have to click the folder. Tada! Your folder appears like it was conjured by a tech-savvy magician. The last method is for those who love keyboard shortcuts. All you have to do is you will need to press Ctrl Shift N at the same time. And voila! Your new folder pops up like a champ. Folders are like the secret sauce of organization. They keep your files tidy and easy to find. Here's the best part. You can use one method or try them all. There's no wrong way to do it. Raise your inner organizer and let these folders work their magic. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a new folder on your Windows desktop in 3 easy ways. See you on my next video.